Okay, so let's start our discussion on this pinakaunang illustration which is wait lang which is si sa point of view ni lessor. So this is operating lease. So since lessor meaning siyang nag-parent. Okay? So meaning this is an asset sa perspective because this is perspective of the lessor, not the lessee. Okay. So on January 1, 2025, so Winter Company Kuno is purchased a machinery for 1.950 million on cash. And the purpose of it, nga nung nagpalit siya sa machinery is for leasing, di ba? So, iparent niya ang machinery nga iyang gipalit. Okay, now, the machine has an expected useful life for 10 years. So, meaning for the 10 years, no, 10 years yung, I mean, if nahurot ang 10 years, so of course, expected, no, dili na magamit ang machine. And also, no, there is no residual value. Meaning, wala expected na kanang machine is na siya value at the end of the year of its useful life. So, ang ilang gina-expect is mawala gyud, no? Mawala gyud, wala, ma-worthless gyud ang machine or ang asset. Ilang nga sila. Now, also, on January 1, 2025, ALES bonus was also received on this date, which amounting to 78,000. So, sa wala pa nag-list, no? Wala pa list transaction nga nahitabo, nanay list bonus nga gihatag si lessee kang lessor. And again, this is a perspective of lessor. Kita si lessor, kita ang nagparent. And then kita gaan ta sa less bonus, which is si lessee galagi ang naghatag. Now, ang less bonus, ang pinaka-concept mo gud ani niya is that is something that like muras sila nagpahumot nagpahumot sila sa imuha nga para sila yung mga pilion nga sila ang mag-rent. Okay. Maybe something na si mga machine nga gusto nila nga gusto gid nila nga sila ang makarent anha nga machine. This is January 1. Now again, less bonus. As kuha na to sa less bonus, no, dili siya naturally an income, no, unearned siya and then will be earned throughout the less term na 10 years. So mag-earn ang less bonus for the 10 years. So dili na to siya automatically recorded as income. Now on April 1, na January na transaction, on April 1, 2025, when their company nanay less transaction nga nahitabo on April 1. Now for 3 years, so less the machine to another entity for 3 years, which is monthly rental, so every month magbayad, payable beginning of every month. So every month, so April 1, April, ano ba next? April, May 1, June 1, July 1, no? Okay. Now, in addition, Winter Company, sa Winter Company kita si Winter Company, sa Winter Company siya si lessor. Winter Company received put a security deposit of 390,000 to be refunded at the lease expiration. So again, ang concept sa security deposit is para, obviously, na security si lessor if ever na ay mga maguba, na mga madamage, na madamage sa machine. So, para makakwanto niya, like for example, diba, in 3 years, diba, 3 years na siya. Now, what if pagbalik na sa machine, na damage. So, unsa para, uh, like, diba, unsa natin niya pagkuha? Unsa natin niya pagkuha sa damage? Like, again, mura nang ginabayad every monthly rental. So, ang plano ni, ang gibuhat ni Winter Company is, nag-required siya sa security deposit nga 390,000 if ever na damage dili na niya ibalik kang lessee, no. So if wala po damage, so of course yan i-refund din niya ang 390,000, iya ibalik ang 390,000 kung walay damages or something unsay nakuan sa machine. So that is why security deposit is treated as, of course, liability. So for our journal entry, again, January 1, so of course, machinery, napatag machinery for 1.950 million, and then credit po na itong cash since this is cash basis sa pagpalit, no, hindi siya utang, and then that is to record purchase of machine. The next is the less bonus, transaction January 1, 2025, less bonus. Now, the less bonus was 70,000, and again, this will be earned throughout the useful, I mean, the term. I'm sorry, no, okay, because um, this is the useful life of the machine. Pero, less bonus, it will be earned throughout the less term, and the less term is 3 years. So, I'm sorry if nakakuan ako ganyan 10 years. How dili pwede. Dahil lang sa 3 years because 3 years is the less term. Less term ta mag-base sa less bonus sa iyahang pag-earn. Sa pag-earn. Okay. So cash, again, debit cash, and since nakadawat tag cash, and then unearned rent income. So again, unearned because this will be earned throughout the less term nga 3 years, which is 78,000. So that is for January 1. Nawala na ilang transaction for January 1. So next is the April 1. Okay, nara April 1. So, kung sinahitabo sa April 1, 2025, no, nagpalis na ta sa machine. Ato nagipalis ang machine for 3 years. Monthly rental, 32,500. Payable beginning every month. So, then of course, since uh, ang ato na dawat no, is, of course, pinakauna, the security deposit of 390,000, di ba? Because as we observed, ang nadiningan naka-transaction is gidiritso na ni pagbutang, no, for April to December 31, because of course normally December 31 gyud mo na ato ang I mean the end of the reporting period. So gi-add na to tanan, pero if dili pod nato na diretso sa December because nagi-add naman ni tanan kung pila ang nadawatan for the April padulong sa December 31. So of course ang ato ang i-record ani, if isa-isahon nato pag-record for April 1 nakadawat tag 32,500, and then our rent income for 32,500 since payable every beginning of every month, and April 1 is counted na siya nga nay monthly rental nga gibayad anha. Pero since isa naman ni kang mamani pagbutang, as we observe, April to December 31. So, nga nung December 1, because December 1, dili na siya mga end sa reporting period. Of course, it is December 31. So, April to December 31, of course, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, that's 9 months. Okay. So, if, of course, kung ato, December 1, to dili man god, since ang January 1, na considered, gibayra na, mag-record na ta sa net income, no, na nakadawat ng tag kwarta sa December 31 pa lang. Okay, so mo to siya. So gi-add na 30,000 times 9, that's why 290,500, no, nga ginakuan nga mo nang payment, no, sa lease sugod sa April 1 padulong sa December 31. And then of course natay liability security deposit which is 390,000. Ayan. Cash, debit cash, and then liability for rent deposit nga 390,000. Now karon, dahil sa to ang depreciation expense. Now, again, this is the lessor, 'di ba? This is the lessor. Point of view ni lessor dili ni lessee. So kita ang tag-iya sa machine. So mag-depreciate sa machine, its 10-year life or its 10-year life. Unsa tong gamiton? Would it be the 3 years or the less term or the useful life? Of course, kita ang tag-iya sa machine. So obviously, ang atong gamiton is the useful life. Kaya ato man ang machine. Whereas kung kita si lessee, of course, ato ibalik ang machine. And that's finance lease, no? Finance lease na to. Different topic. Mag-focus lang taan since kitang tag-iya si lessor. So, sa ato ang machine, so atong gamiton nga depreciation is the 10 years since this is the useful life of the machine. That's why depreciation expense at the end of the reporting period. So as we can see, walay lain nga, this is straight line method, no? Gi-divide nato siya sa 10 since nganong tibok gid siya isa ka year since January 1 nato siya gi-purchase. So normally December 31, of course ika 1 year na niya. So mo na every year cumulative depreciation is 195,000. Now, di ba naaman pod tay unearned rent income nagikan sa less bonus. And again, ang less bonus na ma-earn siya throughout the lease term. So, at the end of the reporting period, which is December 31, naanay nag-earn sa part sa lease bonus, which is 9 months. Diba? Since ang sinugdanan sa lease term is April 1, of course, ang last is December 31. So, nanay na-earn nga 9 months sa lease bonus. So, meaning, na maynusan na ang ato ang unearned rent income. So, to record the unearned rent, ang part sa na-earn sa unearned rent is of course pilang total adto niya, di ba? Which is 78,000, and then pila ang lease term niya? 3 years, di ba? So, ato siya i-divide sa 3 years. So, kung ato siya sumahon every year, no? Wait lang, 78,000 divided by 3. So, every year na ay 26,000 nga ma-earn sa part sa lease bonus. However, dinhi nga kuan is nag-start ang lease term is sa April, di ba? Sa April 1, dili sa January 1. So, meaning 9 months lang ang na-earn ato nga part sa lease bonus. That's why after nato siya ma-divide sa 3 is i-times pa nato siya sa 9/12. That is why 19,500 ang amount nga total nga na-earn, no, sa unearned rent income or sa lease bonus. So meaning ang ato ang unearned rent income nga gi-record sa January 1 is na minusan na siya, di ba? Of course, na minusan na siya. Kaya na-earn lagi nga 19,500. So, ang ato ang unearned rent income na lang, so 78,000 minus 19,500. So, ang ato ang total unearned rent income or ang less bonus na kailangan ma-earn throughout the lease term is 58,500 na lang. Okay. So, kung tanong po ta, how much is the liability? So, katong 58,500. So, since napumunta isa ka liability yan since liability for rent deposit or the security deposit is treated as liability, so mo tanong ta pilang liability, of course, i-plus lang nato ni siya. I-plus nato ning liability for rent deposit. Ay, napan noon, liability for rent deposit. For rent, basta, liability for the rent deposit. No, 390,000, so plus 58,500. 390. So, ang atong total liability is 448,500. Okay. Maro to siya sa for the operating list sa part sa lessor.